So, you want to be a filmmaker, content creator, or even a social media influencer, and you're probably sitting there thinking, where the hell do I even start? Do I need a camera, a crew, a film degree? Spoiler alert, you don't need any of that to begin. And I'm going to prove it. When I first got into filmmaking, I thought I needed everything. The expensive gear, the perfect idea, and maybe even some magical green light from the universe. But guess what I had instead? A phone, an idea, and a little bit of stubbornness. That's it. Here's the thing most people get wrong about filmmaking. They think it's all about the gear. It's not. Filmmaking is literally just storytelling. That's it. If you've ever told a story that made your friends laugh, cry, or lean in, congrats, you've already got the core of it. And it doesn't matter if you don't know how to use Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro or what ISO even means. But what matters is, do you care enough about something to turn it into a visual experience? And the best part? You don't even need permission. You don't need to wait for the right time. There's no secret door you need to unlock before you can call yourself a filmmaker. You can literally shoot something today with your phone or anywhere in your bedroom and boom, you're doing it. Most people never actually start because they're waiting for things to be perfect. But let me tell you something real. Perfection is a trap. Your first video, it might be kind of bad. Mine was. Awkward edits, terrible audio, zero structure, but I finished it. And when I watched it back, I didn't see the flaws, I saw progress. I was proud of myself. Every great filmmaker you know started with a rubbish film. But what matters is that they started something and finished it. So if you're watching this and you're waiting for a sign, this is it. Start small. 1 minute, one scene, one idea. Don't aim for an Oscar. Aim to finish something, and that's where the growth lives. In the next video, I'll walk you through the 3 things you actually need to start making films. And trust me, none of them are a new camera. So hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the first story you want to tell? Let's get this journey started together.